Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. See on the slide details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, amenities, etc. Room category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem